What's up? What is up? What do we got? Let's see what we got for news here. Oh, we had the PP news at 8:30 right here. This guy. So yesterday we went down. Today we went up. Next thing is at 10. Somebody speaking. Don't really care. What's up, student? You don't trade are you trading NASDAQ futures? Can't remember. I like this this lower latency. You guys answer like immediately when I ask a question. I used to have to ask and then wait wait a couple minutes. Hey, what's up? I assume we'll probably have some new faces in the chat. I don't know if they're new people watching, but that's all good. That's a plan. It's a plan, methodical. Good morning, good morning, good morning. YouTube allows me to put it on a ultra low latency. I just can't stream 1440, which is what I was doing. I don't suspect most people do that. So I just put it to 1080 and then put ultra low latency on. And I don't think we had any connection issues yesterday. I don't remember seeing any or hearing anybody complain. I had to lower my bit rate a little bit more. I think we're dialed in though, hopefully. Damn methodical. That would be honestly, that'd be pretty sick. This month was a little rough in the finance world, but got to stick to the giveaway regardless. I'm not sure when. I mean, I'll let you guys. I mean, when I'm done trading, that's when we'll decide. If you're, yeah, I ordered the tires yesterday, so we'll do a 500 giveaway today. Yeah, Jamie. I'm not a sleaze ball to do something like that. I mean, if he wins, he wins, but we're not going to rig it. So this is what we're going to do later. When you guys send messages, you know, this thing is scrolling. It's constantly showing the last one. But if I hover my mouse over this and I scroll up, well, let me put the mouse up here. If I put my mouse right here and then I scroll up, well, it will just stop the chat from scrolling. And whoever it lands on, that's who's going to win. That was not the giveaway, so don't freak out. So later, at a later time in today, we will have everybody just spam chat messages, and then I'll say 3, 2, 1, scroll the mouse, stop it, whoever it lands on, have you contact me. We'll verify that you are the person who won right here, and then go from there. But I need to focus on my trades today, so we're going to do that first. I need to trade first. Yeah, you definitely had a better chance last month. Last month was only like 7 entries. This month, I am assuming will be more. Next month, again, I may change my mind for the month after that, but next month is going to go back to only members, and you will not be required to be here to win. So if you sign up as a YouTube member, next month on the stream, I'm going to take anyone who's a paid member in the list, put them in a random picker thing, and whoever it picks. So far, I know all the people in the membership, like I know their Discords and stuff, so I can reach out to those people. Sounds good. Matt Teest, Matt Teets, Matt Teet, Matt. Yeah. Appreciate it. Again, main goal for me is to my tits. Oh, my. Thanks for pointing that out. Thought it was like some exotic Matthew play, but it's my tits. Oh, I'm not looking like. Yeah, I was about to go over that, Jamie. I'm going to do brackets today, so we're not group trading, just one contract at a time. Another thing I was looking at yesterday was, and I only tested this for one day in Quantower, and it was just eyeballing the markets. What I was doing was looking at 5-minute fair value gaps, and then looking at the market in there. So you see up here on the 1 minute where my cursor is, it's that area. What do we see in there? We see a 1 minute fair value gap that's inside of the 5 minute down here. So we got a 1 minute. So then we drop down and look. Actually, this is 2 fair value gaps. So now we have a 1 minute fair value gap inside of a 5 minute. Now we drop down even further and see if there's any 5-second fair value gaps in this area. Let's scroll over. I don't know where that is. Right here. And what do we got? We have this guy right here. That would be an entry off of this one. So you have a 5 minute gap. Do we create it? Do we touch it with a 1 minute gap and then drop down into that? And then do we create any 5-second gaps in there? I think that might work. What's up, Trader Oracle? I think I've seen your name around, right? Or you're in Methodicals chat. David, hello. Maybe try it on micros first. That might be the more responsible thing to do, right? But I'm not doing that. You're a fellow coder. Interesting. Yeah. I'm going to drop down into the 1 second. And then if we get a fair value gap in there, then we drop down into the half a second chart. Tyler, you got to stop. You keep changing your damn pictures everywhere. I keep getting confused. maybe you're not even the real Tyler Smith. Maybe you're somebody. Maybe you're an imposter. You just use the Tyler Smith name because you know that Tyler Smith is a main chatter, a main viewer. No, you're the only person I've seen that does that. All right, we've got. All right, let's put this thing on around the 2 second, right? Or wait, not 2 second. 1 point to 2 point increments around here. What do we want? I'm going to start with a 1-to-1 brackets, just 5 points. And we're waiting for the goddamn market to calm down before I start taking trades. Yeah. See, I'm already getting ahead of myself. It's 9:28. Yeah, we go hard over here. 5 second chart. Well, I mean, Jamie, you were the one helping me with the brackets yesterday, right? Didn't you talk about a 1 to 1.5? Was that you or somebody else? Knives, good morning. Nice, Tyler. Oh, it was lucid. Yeah, so the I just need to everyone, all the people I talk to more on a regular basis. I'm sorry if I forget certain things that we've talked about, like me and you, but there's too many people talking to me. So it's hard for me to remember the discussions per person. That's the plan, Methodical. I know Methodical. I know you said you watched the stream yesterday, but I don't know if you saw the practice trades I ended up taking after, and like the market, it was after 10. So the market kind of slowed down a little bit after the morning, and like it was perfect trading. Like it couldn't be any better. And I was like, why didn't I just do this to begin with today? Yeah, but so Jamie, like that's the plan with I don't mean it like that, Tyler. Even if I was talking to 4 people, I would get things mixed up. Um the 5 points, the brackets are going to force me to pay attention to the volatility. Because if I go put a order on right here and we got huge candles wicking back and forth, I'll be like, yeah, I can't. Oh, let me get out of that. Jesus Christ, that was close. Should have put that lower to test it and not put an order on to test something at 9:30. Seeing the brackets will force me to be like, yeah, this moves too much. I can't risk that. Riggedy rack, howdy. Yeah, wasn't paying attention to the time there. We got too much going on. All right, we got a 5 minute. Do you guys know if there's a way to put the shapes on all the charts? I'm on, I'm on Trade of It, right? Right click. Right click doesn't do anything. I had a feeling you thought, or that you were giving me the trading view instructions. So what we'll do is, I need this to be up here. You have to configure the charts to be linked. Drawing tools. It says that there's a sync charts down here. You have to link the charts first, though. Oh, that's what these are for. You put all these the same color. I didn't know that. Sync charts. Did you guys know that? I had no idea what those colors were for. So we'll put this here. And that did not do anything. Doublito. You might know, how do I get drawings to show up on all the charts, even though they're on different time frames? It says I just put all these to the same color. These are all the same color, right? And then click drawing tools. Oh, you know what? No. That's what it That's what it says on their site, is to just make all these the same color and then click sync charts under drawing tools. The hell? All right, whatever. Oh, where did this come from? Did I just draw that? Oh, you have to put sync charts on all the you have to put it on all of the drawing things. So now if I redraw this, there we go. Okay. Put that there. There we go. Right? Well, this is what I'm doing. I'm putting a marking out a 5-minute fair value gap. So now I need to wait and see if the 3 pattern fair value gap, if a 3 pattern fair value gap bullish setup, if any of those 3 candles touch this and create a fair value gap, I'm going to draw another box. Then we're going to see if any 5-second bullish fair value gaps form. And all the ones that form touching that 1 minute, we're going to take. Already we have these guys that worked out. I'm going to be extra cautious today just because I have some additional emotions flowing, and it's Friday. We had a red day yesterday. Yeah, I'm fine. I mean, I'm fine. I'm just voicing. I recognize I'm not as uh clear-headed as normal, and somebody like Knives would say, "You don't need to trade today." And to that, I would say, probably, but I'm going to take it easy and require this whole thing where have a 5 minute, 1 minute, and a 5 second setup. And with brackets, I think that's being pretty safe if I make it mechanical like that. All right, we got another gap here. So we'll draw this out. So this one is being accepted because between these three candles that form that 1 minute, it was off of the 5 minute. So any fair value gaps that touch this on the 5 second, we will take. I mean, it doesn't get much more mechanical than that. Emotional because of Red Day and just like this month was kind of tough. Just like everything's so goddamn expensive. Like it would have been great if I didn't have to buy tires this month, but I had to. I don't know about that, Trader Oracle. It might be a bad idea. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. We're not even halfway through the month. McLovin, what's up? No trade yet. I'm waiting for a 5 minute, 1 minute, and a 5 second to all form in this off of each other. So any gaps that form touching this, I'm going to take with assuming they fit in the bracket, assuming I can get in with an entry where with 5 points being the stop. I don't want. I was thinking about this because I believe I can code this. And if it's a bot would probably do better than me, obviously, because it's not dealing with any emotions. But I know I can code watching for 5 minute fair value gaps, and then in that range, look for a 1 minute fair value gap. And then if there's any in that range, take every 5 second fair value gap. Yeah, I saw that. This guy right here, that's the 5 minute that's marked out, which is this. So off of this, we created a 1 minute, and now I mark that out. And if we come into this, I'll take it. And if not, we wait for the next one. Yeah, time of day is, I mean, I have a bunch of other code that I reuse for each bot, and like time of day, stuff like that is all part of it. Like I have some bots that take look, what is this? I have some trades that just take like one. I have some bots that just take like one trade a day, and they're pretty large trades. And sometimes the targets aren't hit, but when the market closes at 4, I just exit the trade. Those are time based; they only enter at certain times of the day. So something like this, I think. I mean, I need to do some testing, but I would only test market open hours, and then potentially only run it for the first like 2 to 3 hours of the day. Just depends on what the testing shows. I would run my test open to close, and then see if restricting it less improves the P&L. Yeah, it's also good. It's forcing me to wait. Yesterday we got in like after 2 minutes of open, and the markets were just moving too much. And the same thing happened last week. I got in right at market open. The candles were too large and lose too much money. All the other days that we've been doing good, it's like we've been waiting for the market to give us some clearer setups to take. And maybe this won't come back. But we can leave this here, and it's still an option later. Let's stretch that out to like 10:30. We don't need the 5 minute. You guys taking anything? That was a nice I don't know if I would have caught that. I mean, obviously we pointed out this 5 minute fair value gap, but I didn't really do any analysis over the overall market conditions. Trying to look at this from a mechanical, non-discretionary view. And my thought is that these fair value gaps obviously mean something. Not always, but if you have 3 time frames all with bullish gaps, could you profit off of that? Like, when they all 3 line up, would trades work out more often than they wouldn't work out? I used to use Yeah, I used to use volume profile and point of control and crap like that, but stopped. Now I just look at the markets and try to read it based on ICT's principles. Oh yeah, I saw Alito helping you out. Nice. Futures are pretty deceiving though. There's a lot of money to be made and there's a lot of money to be lost. So we're not coming off of a 5 minute here. However, if we look at this, got a 1 minute and we've got a bullish fair value gap here, bullish fair value gap here. This one didn't offer an entry. You would have had to make the decision to just mark it in. This one offered an entry. However, this one has not been touched, so I would expect it to come back down there, I guess. I want to see if we form one here on the 5 minute. I need to look at the, okay, the 1 hour, we've got we've got liquidity resting up there. I'm just thinking about people who thinking about people who are potentially only watching because I'm doing a giveaway. Uh which is fine. I would expect some people to only show up for that. But it's just funny that we're not doing it till I decide I'm done trading. And I don't anyone who out there who is if that's you, you know who you are. I don't fault you for it. Like if I found out someone was doing a giveaway in their chat, I would absolutely go tune in just for the giveaway. That's perfectly fine. But I'm someone who will absolutely point that stuff out. Uh, just someone sitting there like, God damn it, when's he gonna give his money so I can stop watching this because he's not even trading? All right, we've got 5 minute here. Let's see if this one works out. Again, this is something I've been thinking about this and I just looked at it yesterday. Now we wait for a 1 minute 3 candle pattern to touch this with a gap going in the same direction. Nice, Jamie. The chat spam thing's gonna be yeah. I mean, I don't even have that many people watching. The person I watch a streamer who does their giveaways like that, and he has like 40,000 people watching, and then he has everyone spam the chat, and it is, and he has like a 7 second delay, I think, for each person. Nice reflex. And if you win and you're not someone who I recognize, you don't have to like you guys don't have to explain like that's just the nature of the giveaway. It's perfectly fine. Nice I spy, nice. 30,000. I have it hidden because I don't want to be influenced by oh, like what if I actually was at 30,000? I don't want to be thinking about that. But we are at 32,000 right now. But I keep that hidden. Is this one? These are not syncing up correctly. Look up here in the 1 minute at the bottom. It says 10:07, and over here it's like at 9:54. Trade of 8 sucks so bad. How do you get signed up for the giveaway? When I'm done trading, we're just gonna pick somebody random in the chat at a certain time. Not at a specific time, but when I'm done, then we'll do that. Yeah, it's not syncing in. I'm using the web. I haven't. I don't think I've missed any because this box is still going past the where we're at. I'm waiting for. Okay, right now I'm waiting for a 1 minute fair value gap to form off of this box. Yeah, I don't want to download it though. I really want to be switching to Quan Tower. What in the hell? What's up, John? We've got at least a couple minutes to see if we form something off of that rectangle right there. Maybe this whole idea, like, maybe this doesn't work. I don't know. I just thought about it. Sounds good, student. Maybe next month. Next month, if you're a member, you don't have to stick around for any streams. Yeah, I know you are usually. We just left it, so I want to see us create something on the 1 minute first. Had a nice little low, high, lower, low. Look at that. I mean, those form on the 5 second. And it formed within this 5 minute. I could imagine there are days where there are no setups, right? It's still not even 10 though. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Trade of Eight. I'm not a fan at all. I hadn't made my at the time of getting these Trade of Eight accounts, I hadn't officially made the decision to start moving to Quantower. So I ended up getting accounts with TopStep that were Trade of Eight based, and then ended up getting some funded. So just figured with TopStep, I should stick with Trade of Eight for the time being until I don't have any. Got 1 minute till 10. I'm not sure. I thought we hit I think one stream we hit like 40 at some point, but it was like for a minute, and then everyone's like F this, and then they left. I'm pretty sure I've seen like in the 40s, like 41, 42. But I kind of suspected as the giveaway, as we put more months, and people are like, oh, he's actually giving away money, and that gets out, that should increase. All right, none of these. I'm going to remove these drawings. Dendy. Damn. Tyler, was this expected? You know, everyone looking for the silver bullet thinks they just missed the move. So they're really dealing with some emotions right now. That's why you're getting a hat, Tyler. Damn, Delta. I feel I feel like Tyler gets picked on so much. Where do we go after that? So the markets look like we are heading down, I would say. We have like the most amount of people watching, and you guys are creating a hostile environment. When we start the giveaway, everyone's going to be scared to even send a chat message. And then it will only be Tyler chatting. Yeah, that's true, guys. That's true. So we've got a couple options here. Got this guy that we can be watching for a 1 minute bullish. And then we also have this guy that we can be watching for a 1 minute bearish. Mm. All right, so just to recap, let me get these off here. I'm getting a little annoyed that we haven't taken any trades, so let's just go over what we're waiting for again. We get a 5 minute fair value gap to form. We have one right here. Right? That's the gap. Now, if we have a 1 minute fair value gap up here, if we have a 1 minute bullish that is touching this guy within the 3 candles, it takes 3 candles to make a fair value gap. This candle, this candle, this candle. If any of those 3 are touching this, I draw out another rectangle for that gap and then take all the entries that form on the 5 second. Verbal abuse, and here's some nurse and TikTok ads for you. Yeah, I know I don't have to take a trade. Part of the part of the part of my reasoning for going to the 5 second was there's opportunities every day, and that satisfies that urge to take a trade because there are opportunities. Now it's up to me to pick the right ones. But as of yesterday, I've added some new rules that I'm thinking I can code. You watch to see the tats, not the trades. um, coding in C# for Quantower. Hank, you made it. Yeah, so far I enjoy the 5 second. I thought it was very quick at first, but it's not that bad. You get used to it. All right, so shorts are favorable right now up in this guy. Actually, anywhere in here. Let's have this run up. I'm not even going to bother drawing a rectangle. I can clearly see over here that we are inside 1 minute, also inside 5 minutes. Looking at this at the bigger picture, though, I'm a little worried because on the 5 minute, we came up and came back to like OTE, and this could just keep ripping up. So, but we're on the 5 second looking for scalps. Don't really care where the overall market's going. I don't know what to do when we have two conflicting setups, though. Like if we create a 1 minute bullish here, with a bot, I can just have two accounts, one that's looking for longs, one that's looking for shorts. Yeah, I'm doing fine, Hank. Are you doing all right? So if we come up into this, we'll take a, I need it to be up higher, around 700. Probably could have shorted that, but let's wait if we get up here a little more.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Orders to it. No, I wasn't expecting it to happen that quickly, but it worked. And then we take the next one too. Okay, but we have a problem. Oh wait, no, we don't. This bullish fair value gap between those three candles is not touching the 5 minute, so we wouldn't be looking for anything in there. So as long as we are in this range right here, so between 717 and 973, we'll take shorts on the 5 second. What's up, Andy? Methodical's too nice. He's gonna go down to like one viewer, sending people over here. But I know we're all just trying to win some money. I need to try to make some money first, okay? So I mean, that's technically a gap. I think a bot would have taken that, and it definitely worked. It just went 5 points. I'm not really thinking about that as a missed opportunity. That's sketchy looking. As long as I'm trading manually with like emotions and stuff, I'm not going to take stuff like that. But I mean, god damn it, look at it. It's not a bad idea, Delta. We'll pick two winners. One of them has to pay me what I lost. The other one, if it's green, then they win. Yeah, I'm all for it. I mean, that was kind of the idea behind a giveaway. I mean, I not the idea, but wanted to reward you guys with some of this affiliate money I'm making. And with that would come more eyeballs, which would just theoretically increase the affiliate money, which then increases the giveaways, which increases the eyeballs. So I think it's a win-win all around. That was one hell of a little entry right there. I haven't lost anything, Hank. That was our only trade. That was our first trade of the day. $100. And this fair value gap has been respected all the way down so far. Yeah, I mean, it's 100 is. I've told you guys I'm not planning. I don't want a limit or like a hard goal for the day, but I did tell you guys I was trying to make more just because lately we've had a couple days where we've accidentally hit our daily loss limit, which is 1,000, and our green days were only 2 to 400. That doesn't cut it in the long run. It doesn't cut it. So I either need to get my risk man. Well, I know what I need to do multiple things. The brackets, risking 100 per trade should keep me from losing 1,000 in a day because I'm not going to take 10 losing trades in a day. I'm going to stop before that happens. And I think I read the market well enough to where I wouldn't take 10 in a row anyways. But I also want to improve my green days. I want my green days to be larger. All right, so the bot would have been looking. So we have a 1 minute fair value gap right here that this candle is touching the 5 minute range. So in this area, it would have been looking for longs on the 5 second, which was this. So nothing there. You don't take it. There's nothing to take. You move on. So I usually only stream for like an hour 20 minutes, if that. What if today I just end up streaming till 4 p.m. and I'm like not done trading? Just force everyone who it's just all right. I'll stop making jokes about that. It's just funny to me. Thank you, I Spy. Thank you. You were here before though. Thanks, Methodical. All right. If we get a gap here, we're getting some conflicting stuff. We're back up in a 1 minute short, so we could be taking shorts over here. We've got a 1 minute gap forming bullish. I think we respect the bullish ones though. At least up until this guy, and then see where we go after that. All right, so the giveaway. Okay, I have a set time for the giveaway. It's going to be at 1:05 Eastern. If you don't want to wait around, you can just come back at 1:05. the viewer count drops to 5 people. It's just Tyler, I Spy, Zendy, Delta. Appreciate that, Trader Oracle. Oh, Knives. Knives is here. Knives will stick around. I wouldn't have taken this. Even at
Order
its
working.
highest point, I would have needed to keep my stop above that high right there. So with the new
Order
brackets,
cancelled.
I can't take that, even though it was a setup that formed inside of a 1 minute, that formed inside of a 5 minute. Now, when I make this into a bot, I don't think I'll have brackets on. No, I'm not gonna have brackets on. It's gonna be the gap that forms. It's gonna be trying to get in with the stop at this candle and then take profit at that candle. Ideally, if you get in, kind of going back to like that 1-to-1, I think that's what I want to do. And then I can back test it a year and see if it works. If it doesn't work, change it. Just had a 5 minute fair value gap here for him at 9.55 with entries at 10. Shorting, aiming at least for that low right there. Beautiful. Yeah, I just arbitrarily picked the 5 points yesterday because a lot of these moves are only anywhere from, I'm only aiming for like 3 to 5 points. So, but a bot's not going to be limited to 5 points either way. It's going to be based off the candle size. Kind of looks like midpoint of this gap, right? I don't have it like fibbed out or anything, but just eyeballing it. The 1 minute created a new low off of that. Fendi, you should have left. Wait, you had your low at the, or profit down here at this low or the that low? I think heading up for a little bit makes sense right now. We have some gnarly winds coming through. As soon as we go to do a giveaway, it's gonna knock my power out. If that happens, that's a high possibility. because the winds are supposed to be anywhere from like 30 to 65 miles an hour, which is insane. Uh, we'll just go over to Discord and I'll figure something out on there. Right, Zendy? That's why we need a bot. We're also in a that 5-minute news candle back here. We're also in that. So I wouldn't take it long off of it. I would ideally want to see, obviously, a 1-minute form as well. Maybe some type of ICT setup. Like we created a lower low here. Maybe we displace up past this swing high, but you don't get in wanting that to happen. You need to wait for it to happen. You have a bot Zendy that you don't watch. You just check it. You just check the trade at the end of the day. I can hear the wind outside right now. Oh my god. This it kind of sucks having these extra rules, doesn't it? Yeah, I guess that's true, Lucid. All right. See if we form something here. Depending on how these next few candles form, like if it still looks like we're gonna have to be waiting, we'll go ahead and give one of you guys some money. I feel like I feel like there's extra people just waiting on me to be done, and I don't like it. It's not affecting my trading, but I feel uncomfortable. And I'm just sitting here watching this anyway, so and this is about the time I'm usually done trading. But look at we got a 1-minute gap here, so we'll see if we get a entry over here on the 5-second. We need so we have one have one here, but that's part of I think that's part of this, right? Yeah, we need a new one to form. Keep this on 2 to 1 ish. This displacement broke this swing. Not saying it's going to work, but it's something. But I mean, I don't really like that. Gonna buy
Order
down
filled.
here. Came into that gap, which is forming in there, so it meets all the requirements. The 5 to 5 kind of sucks, but ideally my stop would be at this swing low right here.
Order
That was
cancelled.
pretty damn close. I got lucky on that trade. Now, again, a bot would have done this, putting the stop at, I think, that swing. I'll have to figure that out. I got lucky by where I entered. I could have entered up here, and it would have stopped me out for a losing trade. I don't know if it's skill. I can't claim that skill on that one. I don't know what I would do on the fair value gaps that I use now with bots. They are only looking at the 3 candles for exits at the high of the 3 candles, and then at the low for buys. So this one may have gotten stopped out. But if I did like a recent swing, could have put it down there. 1-to-1 looks like it may have worked. I don't know. All right, we're back in here.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
You just like, we're still in this range, so we just take any 5-second fair value gap. Here's another one being created. I'd want it to come down more to there.
Order working.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get that one. We had an entry up here. That was barely could have, but
Order cancelled.
I think I might stop there with this account. That was the funded up 287. Again, ideally, I want to be making more. However, I'm gonna stop with that. I might switch over to the other one, but let's just take a break and give you guys something. All right, so this is what we'll do. I'm gonna put my mouse right here. I'm gonna put it right there. Pick my mouse up off so I can't move it, and then when I scroll up, see how the thing's moving. Should we I I kind of want to do like a practice run, but at the same time, that sucks for the first. If I do a practice run and when it lands on someone, it's like, oh well, you didn't win. I think we just need to try it. No, we're doing the giveaway right now. Let's everyone. What do we want to spam? Something. And I need to put. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on a 1 second delay. That way, see how we can't. I don't want three people to or one person to have like multiple entries. 'Cause that kind of sucks, right? A wheel thing. It's too. I have to like enter everyone's names. Um. Okay, so let me hold on. I'm gonna put it on a 1 second delay. Not a delay. 1 second. Um. So can somebody like can someone send a message and try to send another message and see if it makes you wait a second? It didn't. Let's just make sure that that works. So see when I scroll up like this, see how it stopped here and there's people still chatting. So is it's making you wait a second, right? This is what I'm doing. I'm just letting you guys know. See, why did it let you do two right there? All right. How about you guys spam in this? This is what I would do. Is um, we need more seconds in between. I'll do two. Like my favorite number. All right. Let's see. Is two working? What are we doing? Okay, this is what I would do if I was you guys. Um, type out Rat Lord, the Scalp King, copy it, and then just start pasting it and enter, pasting and enter, pasting and enter, pasting and enter. Rat Lord, the Scalp King, and then just start freaking. Alito, you're out. You've been disqualified or absolutely disqualified. All right, let's get this rolling. Let's get this rolling. Ready? Keep it going. Keep it going. And again, if you win, you have to be able to accept this with PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, I'm keeping the money or we'll pick someone else. I don't know. But if you don't have PayPal, then you're not getting it. All right, I'm putting the mouse on, picking it up off of the and whoever it's highlighted on, see how it highlights the chat? It highlights somebody. I think whoever the mouse is on. 1, 2, 3. What? Who's this? I'm gonna click. Who's this on? Oh, this dude right here. All right, this dude won. I can't pronounce that name. I apologize. I don't know if you guys are spamming, but I'm gonna leave it up here for a second. Um. All right, so I need you. Yeah, yeah. So I need you to. Are you on Discord? That would be the easiest. I didn't hit the wrong key. If you're in our Discord channel, can you send me a private message? Click. It's in our Jesus. If you go into the description of this video, we have a Discord. Join that, and then you'll see me in the list. Listen, anyone who didn't win, we're doing it next month too. Every month we're gonna do a yeah, congrats, man. $500 is not nothing. Send send me a message. Okay, and then I want you to send me in Discord first. Send me like a in this message that you just created. If this is you, type like a 4-digit number, and then also type that in Discord first. Send it to me right now while I'm talking to you. Just type 4 numbers, like some random pin or whatever. And now send that over here in the chat. The same exact number. Like I'm pretty sure that this is you, but I just want to. All right, perfect. Um, once I'm done with the stream, or if you want to send me your email address in here, once I'm done with the stream, I'll send it in PayPal, and then just make sure that you got it. But yeah, that was exciting, right? Delta and knives, you guys are killing me. Delta, am I too late for the giveaway? Oh, for the hat giveaway? Oh my god, I'm dying. That was fun. That was a crap ton of messages coming through. I didn't think there would be that many. Our chat rate. Look, let me show you guys. Did you really miss it, John? All right. So YouTube Analytics like shows you the chat rate during the stream, and look at it. It went from like barely anything, and then I think that's funny. Did you really miss it? All right. I do want to keep trading. That was a nice little break too. It was exciting. Spread some positivity. I'm gonna sign out of this. Good thing is, John, For any month that I'm doing the member only giveaway, you're automatically entered and you don't have to be present because I have a list of members, so we can just do a spinning wheel thing or whatever. It's a lot easier. What am I doing here? Knives. It's funny you said that because I was gonna, I was gonna tell him the same thing. Like, I better see a new membership from you. Just gave you enough money to pay for a membership for the next 5 years. So yeah, if you didn't win, join as a member, and you will automatically be entered uh, for next month. Hold on, I'm trying to log back into Tradeovate right now. It's giving me some issues. All right, so what are we doing? We should continue, right? All right, we're on the combine right now. We're basically at break even. We had all green days this week, and then yesterday gave it all back. I spy. Look at you getting in ahead to win that money next month. Appreciate it. Hell yeah. I mean, I think it's a pretty good deal. $3 a month for potential to win several hundred. It changes every month. Last month was 400. This month was 500. And I don't know who heard or what, but this month should have been more. I just happened to I needed to buy new tires, so I apologize. I needed to use some of that money to buy tires. Otherwise, we would have been giving away more this month. Assuming or not assuming, but depending on the amount, we may start breaking the we may start breaking up the giveaways. So instead of one massive chunk, maybe we'll do like 70% of the giveaway to a member, 30% away to just a subscriber. The affiliate stuff is kind of crazy, Knives. I'm not here to hide that from you all. That's why I started giving it away, because I only have it because of you guys, and you guys support me, so wanted to give something back. The memberships is like barely anything because I only have it priced at $2.99, and I only get like 70% of that, so it's like less than $2. So, but the affiliate is kind of stupid. Now, it wasn't like that from day one. Good idea, Tyler. Oh, and I still want to do the I still want to do I like the idea of breaking it up because like I said, last month was quite a bit of money. So if we were giving away like 800, if I have 800 to give away, maybe I break that up into different types of giveaways throughout the month. How is that not random, Delta? I mean that's pretty random to me. And the member giveaway is a random picker bot, but on it, like, the way code works with random, it's not. I don't know. It's not that. What do you mean it's not as random as you think? There's just random people chatting and it's flying by, and I just scroll up. How is that? How is that not random? that, that that's as random as it gets. There's so many variables there. Yes, it is. You're not convincing me. Yes, I did scroll. I scrolled up. Lucid, welcome. Welcome. Enjoy your little rat egg. Next month it hatches. 1305 pre-announcement. I don't know what that was. Okay, but when I decide to scroll is not predetermined, and I have no idea who the hell is chatting. No, they don't offer a list of viewers like that. And I can't get the Streamlabs giveaway where you like enter a raffle. I know you guys have seen someone else who does it uses that. None of you would be complaining if you won. You wouldn't be saying it's random. I mean, you wouldn't be saying it was like, oh my God. All right. Can we try to make some money on this combine? I want to get it passed. Was Grim in here? I haven't seen Grim, and he's just in the Discord talking to nobody. I have it on like ultra low latency. I just asked him, and he said, he said, I don't have the icon thing, so I don't think I could win. I said it was for anyone in chat. Poor guy. No, there's no way. I like that method. If it's good enough for a streamer with like 40,000 people in chat, I think it's good enough for us. I'm not sure where this is going at the moment. The 5 minute, we're still in that news fair value gap candle. Oh, there's a 1 minute short up here. I mean, I think looking at the 5 minute, it does look like we're wanting to go take out these lows. Just a matter of when and where to get in. Yeah, that's I was talking about that, Jamie. Maybe because 500 is a lot. So um oh, I didn't mention it. I talked about it in Discord, but I thought doing a some sort of trading challenge, and then whoever wins that gets the money. But it wouldn't be based off of how much money you make, so you couldn't just like put 50 contracts on. It would be like the most amount of points off of a particular setup or something like that, or who can like stupid stuff too. And you could do this on a sim account. You don't I wouldn't require you to do it on like a real account. No, Knives, because I'm not gonna. It wouldn't be a. Tyler, I'll wait. Let me know when your ad is done. And if you complain about ads one more time, no. So it would a trading like what I'm thinking would be who can you get one trade for that day or one trade for that account. And again, you could do it on a practice account so you can reset it if you want. I don't care. It's more about just can you pick a certain strategy. So maybe I require you to take this what I'm doing today, get a 5-second entry, show me it was off of a gap, and then who can get the most amount of points off of that. Something like that. And um or who can I don't want to say who can have the most commissions because you could just spam trades all day on a practice account. It would need to be like a specific specific maybe ratio. Yeah, Jamie, I'm not. I wouldn't ask you to trade a real account. It would be like do it when you're done trading on a practice account or something stupid like that. I don't know. I haven't really given it much thought. Obviously, who can have the lowest ratio of commissions to profit? Graham would be out immediately. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I need to give that more thought. Whoever blows the most evals in one day, and you have to click my links. All right, can we get a 1 minute? Yeah, they're paying themselves, they're paying me. Again, it's a win-win. Everyone's happy. Gonna leave this barely. So we'll jump over here. Take any 5 second. I'm not doing the brackets. This is just on the combine. Like a 14-point stop if I enter right there, but I'm almost like in the mood that I don't want this combine right now. Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that.
Order filled. Order
Maybe we could
filled.
pass this in or maybe I can get to halfway today. I think this is I like the 1 minute here. Came into that gap. Got this order block. See if we can displace out of it at least up to this guy. I probably need to be keeping track of people who win. That way they can't win like, multiple times. I think you guys would be pretty pissed about that. That's a good idea too, Hank. That's a really good idea. How many points do we need for $1,500? 37, 35 plus 37, 72. This needs to get up to 72. I doubt we get up there, so we might need to add a third contract to this.
Order filled.
That's right, Tyler. We're growing. We got big things on the horizon. Damn, we're up to 1,133 subs. Damn, we had like 18 new today because obviously they had to sub to get into the chat. So tricked them. Thanks, Methodical. I always think that you left, but then you're still here. So I'm way over leveraged on this. I don't know. I'm sick of these combines and stuff. I want to see us reach up into this in 50 to 55 gap. Always watching. We already hit this gap. I'm not trading this size on the funded. That'd be insane. Jesus. You guys couldn't hear that, but a huge branch just hit my house. All right, we're up at the 50s. I really want I want 1500 and be halfway there. But I don't know if we keep going. You just take the 8. God, another one. It's insane. I think we can hit 1500. Yeah, we're already at 12. We just need 72, right? Or no, that was with 2 contracts. We added the third so we don't have to hold the 72. Why can't I just trade like this? Like, I mean, I think I read the market perfectly. It's just you have motion. You just have too many emotions. I'm going
Order
to take
filled.
off
Order
2.
filled.
Guarantees 800. Both your streams. All right,
Order
so we
working.
secured 830 on that. We need I need $700. We're only at 2. I should just pull up methodical stream and then force him to watch himself. I should have just taken all 3 up here. Yeah, he doesn't have me pulled up on his stream. That would be fun though.
Stop filled.
No, I'm gonna pull him up and knowing methodical, he'll end up he's gonna like copyright strike me or something. Just something he would do. My boy
6 ticks.
methodical right here.
But yeah, that's what I've been doing, or that's what I've done.
Is that too loud?
Occasionally.
No, I think it looks. I can't hear it because I have my. I think he sees that. Yeah, he's insane. I don't know how he does it. This is gonna keep going. Look at this 1-minute reaction right here.
Order filled.
I want this high. Where's the VWAP at? Yeah, because if you and McLovin, if you go watch him he's still talking to his chat and streaming, but then he's over here talking to us. And I'm like, dude, how are you doing that? It's already hard enough trying to trade. And then I got, Tyler over here sending 1,000 messages thinking that I'm doing a giveaway. Yeah, he's trading. He's got some setup. I mean, I think his setups are pretty mechanical. So, I mean, when you have a mechanical trade, you don't have to focus that hard. You just wait for a setup, mark it out. Nice. Where does that put us at? Puts us at 1,000. Should we just take that?
Order
At least that
filled.
puts us back after yesterday. Yeah, there's a giveaway today. Stick around, and we'll get to that here momentarily. He's always watching. Oh, Tyler's up 12. I need to try to probably beat him, right? God damn it. Now you're at 13. Are you in a trade right now? Damn it. So I can't.
Order filled.
I'll beat
Order
you. I'll
filled.
go into three minis and. Damn. At 927. Oh, but you haven't closed yet, right? I mean, not. What am I trying to say? Yeah.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna. I need to. I need to surpass you. How many? How many minis are you in? This is such a bad idea. You just want me to add like 20 up here. All right, F it.
Order
We hit
filled.
our. Oh, I made too much. We can't go past 1,500. I'm capped out. So if it's that easy to make this much money, why am I not doing that? 1,500 is the limit, right? And we're at 17, so 200. They'll just make me make more, right? Once I hit the limit, or once I pass, or I can. I should just try to lose, right? Yeah, that's easier. Let's go into 5 contracts. Which way do we think it's going? I think we
Order
get a
filled.
pullback first. Oh, right there.
Order filled.
That's good. 1526. Perfect. Did I just trade like that? I'll put my P&L exactly where I want it. All right, let me sign out and switch to the funded. I'm not going to do that, Hank. No. I am fully aware that this does not happen. I'm fully aware that I only took these trades because I was at the point where there was no care in the world. I can't do that with real money or funded. It's like borderline impossible to not care. You're always, you can say you'll accept the outcome, but there's going to be part of you that cares that you lost money. And there's going to be part of you that likes that you just won money. Okay, Tyler. So the new challenge is my goal was 1,500. So I got within $25 of it. You said your goal is 2,100. So let's see how close you can get to 2,100. That's the goal. That's a challenge. I set a dollar amount and make it the same, ratio wise for if someone's trading micros or if someone's trading minis. All right, so what's your goal then? You said 21. So what is it actually, like 2150 or Grim? You're way too late, man. Way too late. Oh, I need to take off the slow mode thing. Nobody's complained about it, but oh hell yeah. Yeah. We that one's gone last week on those bad days. Tyler, you were not asking uh to enter any challenge, so I apologize. Ignore everything I said. I was just joking around. You keep trading what you need to trade. Stick with your emotion or trade accordingly. You caught that. I didn't mean this. I was trying to say trade. Trying to say make decision, like if your emotions get too high, like you need to step away. I was trying to say that, but it almost came out as trade your emotions. Who won? This dude up here in the pinned thing. Name of the game. I know you guys you guys are ridiculous. You know that? You guys are absolutely ridiculous. You and Alito can go form a Grim's in here just to stir up some trouble. Alito probably put him up to it. Later, man. Appreciate it. Welcome to the membership club again. All right, I need to get off. I need to jump off here. Overall, successful day. You guys all say it's not a successful day because you didn't win. But that's just how it is. again next month. I'm going back to only members, and I can get a list of the members from YouTube. I can put that list in a spinning thing and pick a random person. And you don't need to be present for that. I think it's a pretty good deal. If you don't think so, don't enter. It's fine by me. So, and depending on how much it is, maybe we split it up like some people were recommending. And then that also, instead of having to wait a whole month for something like that, because it's kind of fun, then maybe we do it like, once a week, some sort of something. It would be smaller giveaways, but more often and more chances to win. Then maybe people could win more than once. I don't know. This is all still, we're still working this out. But Tyler, good luck on your trade. Obviously, post it in Discord when you're out. Not a bad day. Ideally, we would have had more setups, but I think the 5 minute, the 1 minute, and the 5 second all lining up is perfect. And I am probably going to work on building a bot to do that this weekend because that's awesome. And then I can backtest, maybe run it Monday morning. We'll see. But you guys have a good, oh, it's Friday. You guys have a great weekend, and just talk to you guys throughout the weekend like normal in Discord. And thanks for stopping by. See you.